Welcome. Today I will discuss about a case history. Just I got a feedback from one of my patient from abroad. She had a very bad throat. There was pus in the tonsil and very frequently she was suffering from the tonsillitis and pharyngitis and so many other issues with the throat. Hoarse voice, choking of the throat and not able to speak. Due to that choking of the throat, she was also having a severe headache all over the head and top of the head also. Due to that problem, she was suffering from 3-4 days. She was not able to concentrate on any work. She was not able to do his normal work, and she was in a so bad condition. She explained to me, "Sir, I am in a very bad condition. I can't move from the bed due to my headache." I asked the patient, what is the reason of the throat infection in your throat? Have you eaten something wrong? Have you eaten something sore which has affected your tonsils very badly or throat very badly? She replied in a positive way, "Yes, I have eaten something. After that, I am having the sore throat and lot of problem in the throat area, up to the palate area also, and the neck area, food pipe area are very badly stuck and full of mucus, full of phlegm. I am not able to do anything. I am very much worried that what has happened to me in 2 days." After knowing his case history, I just told him, there is a one point known as kidney 27. Kidney 27 point is located here. This is the rib cage, this is the collarbone. This is the collarbone on the left side and this is the collarbone on the right side. Just in the corner of the collarbone there is a point kidney 7. I told her, "You press this point and let me know is there any pain or something." Yes, she pressed this point and confirmed me, "Sir, this point is having lot of pain." Then I asked her to do one simple thing. You sedate this point with the help of the chakra magnet. You can see this chakra magnet. This chakra magnet, white portion and outer yellow circle is touching to the skin. And this yellow portion, you can see the yellow portion is on the upper side. Yellow is visible to you. I told her, "You please put this, you just put this yellow point upward and outer circle white portion upward. This is the sedation chakra." I told her to put this on this K27 point. And this is, I am showing you just by putting this point on my neck. This is the K27. And she put this magnet, chakra magnet, for more than 4 hours. Immediately she rang me up after 4 hours. "Sir, my throat is completely alright. I am able to speak. I am able to communicate. I am very thankful to you. Sir, your color therapy and your this chakra magnet treatment is amazing. Within 4 hours, I got the complete cure from my issue, which I was suffering from 4 days. Thank you so much. I hope you will like this treatment. And whenever you have any problem in the throat area or in the tonsils area, in the tonsillitis, or you can always try this chakra sedation on KD27. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be able to guide you how you can do your self treatment at your home. Welcome. Thank you.